I'm Chef John Maxwell. Welcome to the Heart of the Home. We're here in Meadow Hall at Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, it's going to be really special. I've had a chance to travel in Asia a lot with the Virginia Department of Agriculture, and I've got a salad that's based on some of the things I learned there. We've got a broccoli salad with peanut sauce. It's got cherries, it's got peanuts, it's got all kinds of good stuff. So we're going to get started here. It's mostly an assembled salad, so I'm going to just do the dressing first. So I'm going to start with some peanut butter, using great Virginia peanuts. There we go. Right. And I'm going to add some soy sauce, right, and some rice wine vinegar. There's two kinds of rice wine vinegar. You can get seasoned or unseasoned. Seasoned just means it's got sugar in it. So I'd use the unseasoned. But if you want to use seasoned, you can. It's just got a little sugar in it. Right? And some sesame oil. Right? A little bit of salt. Right? And I'm going to take a little bit of ginger, right, and grate that. Right? I've got some grated in here. I'm just going to add in here. Right? Right. But all I do for that is just take a grater, right, and peel, and then just run it across the grater right down into the dressing. Right? But it's kind of boring to watch me grate that, so I'm not going to do that here. All right. So now I'm going to emulsify this using a wire whip. All right, to get that peanut butter all mixed in good. Okay, now we've got the dressing done, right, and I'm ready to build the salad. So let me get a plate over here, all right, so we can get this done. First thing I'm going to do is put some cilantro down on here. Cilantro is a very sharp tasting herb that is really reminiscent of the Orient, of China and Korea and Japan. Right. So now I'm going to slice some cucumbers and get those on. I'm not going to make this a very organized or structured salad. I'm just going to make it a little random, but it will be delightful. And so we get the cucumbers on there. Now I'm going to put some broccoli florets. Right. This isn't usually what we think of when we talk about a green salad, right? But it is definitely a green salad. And so let's get the broccoli all on here. All right. Now we've got some dried cherries. We're going to add some dried cherries to this. Now, there's a lot you can do with a salad like this. I'm making it very simple and very basic, but you can grow this in any direction you want. You could put something sharp on here, like radishes, some red radishes. Sliced thin would be nice and pretty and add some color. Some daikon radish would give it some snap, or some horseradish, if you wanted to do it that way, to give it that heat, a little bit of heat. Right? But we've got the dressing now. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit all around to give it some artistic kind of presence. And now I'm going to spoon the dressing over the broccoli itself. And the key here is that as you eat it, you're going to get all these different textures and flavors. There's some heat, there's some sweet, there's some smooth, there's some crunchy. It's just a real explosion of flavor and texture in the mouth. So this is a broccoli salad with peanut dressing. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.